Are crows the most intelligent yet vengeful birds on Earth? TPO, Candace Savage, a longtime birdwatcher and nature writer, notes that crows are highly intelligent creatures. They're bold, curious, and inventive. And sometimes, she says, they're even downright mean. In fact, in some parts of the country, the birds have gained a reputation for being little more than feathered psychopaths. Crows have been blamed for killing each other's young and stealing other birds' eggs just for fun. On top of all this, crows are also tricksy. Like many other corvids, they can even play tricks on one another. But perhaps their greatest survival skill is one that hasn't been seen in the wild world of Australia until now. You might be thinking, what is that? Stick around till the end of the video to find out what unique thing crows do to survive. You'll be surprised. But first, we want to share with you some of the interesting facts about this amazing bird. So without further ado, let's begin. Many people may not know this, but one of the most intelligent bird species in the world is the crow. They can even mimic human speech and show intelligence that surpasses other famously clever birds like starlings and parrots. The incredible intelligence of crows, comparable to a 5 to 7-year-old child. Studies on how crows respond to human requests show that they are as intelligent as a young child. Researchers at the University of Auckland, New Zealand, conducted experiments with 6 new Caledonian crows, native to islands in the Southwest Pacific. According to Popsy, their reasoning ability and dexterity were observed in how they retrieved food submerged in narrow tubes. To get the food, the crows would pick up stones with their beaks and drop them into the tubes. When the heavy objects sank, the food floated upward, making it easy to grab. Previously, the birds had been trained to drop stones into empty tubes with no water. In a different experiment, given a choice between tubes filled with water and sand, they preferred the water-filled ones. They also chose heavy, solid objects over light, hollow ones. Between 2 water-filled tubes, they dropped stones into the one with the higher water level. According to the results, the researchers concluded that crows are highly intelligent animals. Though their reasoning was not perfect, it was comparable to that of a 5-7-year-old child, said Sarah Gelbert, a member of the research team, as quoted by ABC News. Previous studies had already discovered other remarkable abilities in New Caledonian crows. They often make tools from twigs, trimming them into hook shapes to pull insect larvae or ants out of tree holes. These birds can remember human faces and hold grudges, viewing people as threats. Holding grudges. Ranked among the most intelligent animals on Earth, crows are the only non-primate species known to create and use tools. Numerous scientific studies published over the past decade have further demonstrated the brain power of these birds, often associated with bad omens in folklore. In many experiments, crows have been seen using sticks to retrieve food out of reach, or bending thin pieces of metal into hooks, despite never having encountered such materials before. In another test, scientists created an 8-step puzzle to obtain food, proving that crows can solve complex problems in the correct sequence. Crows are also thought to be capable of analogical reasoning, an indicator of higher-level intelligence. Speaking to the New York Times, researchers at the University of Washington concluded that crows can remember the faces of hostile people and pass this knowledge down to their offspring and flock members. Crows have excellent memories, able to retain distinctive details such as appearance and behavior of threats. Even after 1 month or 2 years, the percentage of crows recalling past incidents doubled. Observing and learning is their key method of survival. Meanwhile, Kevin J. McGowan, a crow researcher at Cornell Lab of Ornithology, New York, has trapped and banded crows for 20 years. He reported that after release, he was often followed by individuals he had fed peanuts to, while those he had previously captured harassed him. Other studies have also shown their grudge-holding nature. When flying over hunting grounds, entire flocks would alter their formations. Sometimes crows even hold trials, surrounding and judging an offender, such as one that had stolen food from nestlings. Crows raising their enemies' offspring as atonement. After killing a rival in mid-air combat, one red-billed crow was seen raising the offspring of its defeated foe. Claire Mucklow, a specialist with the Royal Society for the Protection of Birds, RSPB in the UK, along with colleagues, witnessed two male red-billed choughs fighting over territory above the cliffs of the Lizard Peninsula, Cornwall, England. After one of the warriors died, his mate disappeared, leaving eggs behind on the cliffside. It's possible the female either committed suicide by diving off the cliff or fled in fear that the victor would kill her, Mucklow explained. Seemingly remorseful, the victorious male incubated the rival's eggs until they hatched. He then fed the chicks and taught them to fly for 3 weeks. He only abandoned them once they could forage and defend themselves. I think this is the first time scientists have witnessed such altruistic behavior in red-billed choughs, Mucklow commented. Red-billed choughs live on coastal cliffs and forage for insects in grasslands. Once common in the UK, their population has now declined sharply. And that's not all. Here are some additional facts you may not have known. Crows are extremely adaptable. They can thrive in both rural and urban environments, as well as mountainous and coastal regions. Their adaptability allows them to exploit a wide range of food sources, contributing to their success as a species. Crows are highly social animals. They typically live in groups called murders, which can consist of up to 100 individuals. Within their social groups, crows have complex social interactions and form strong bonds with their mates. Crows are known for their intelligence and problem-solving abilities. They can use tools, such as sticks or branches, to retrieve food, and have been observed using mirrors to locate hidden food sources. Their cognitive abilities enable them to adapt to new situations and learn from their experiences. Crows are highly vocal animals with a wide range of calls and vocalizations. They use these vocalizations for various purposes, including communicating with other crows, defending their territory, and attracting mates. Some crow species can even mimic the calls of other birds and animals. Crows play an important role in their ecosystems as both predators and prey. As predators, they consume a variety of animals, including insects, rodents, and reptiles. As prey, they are hunted by predators such as hawks, eagles, and foxes. Crows have a lifespan of 10 to 15 years in the wild, although some individuals have been known to live up to 20 years or older in captivity. Their longevity is influenced by factors such as predation, habitat quality, and food availability. The global population of American crows is estimated to be in the tens of millions. They are found throughout much of North America, including the United States, Canada, and Mexico. Crows are protected under international and national laws in many countries, including the United States, under the Migratory Bird Treaty Act. These laws protect crows from persecution and ensure the conservation of their habitats. While crows are often viewed as pests due to their intelligence and adaptability, they are fascinating creatures with unique characteristics and behaviors. Understanding their ecology, intelligence, and conservation status can help us appreciate the complexity and diversity of the natural world. And there you have it. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. We've got plenty more interesting things to come, so stay tuned. See you next time.